Good morning. We were doing exercise 2.3. First question, third bit. In last video, we completed first and second bit. Okay. So now we do the third bit. Yes. What was the heading? Divide first polynomial by the second polynomial. This is the heading. Okay. So px is equal to, this is first, and gx is equal to, this is second. So the question is what? Divide px by gx. Yes. Say, here you can see the answer. We have to divide px by gx. This px we write in order. x4, after x4 x cube should be there. So 0x cube, 0x squared. See, whatever the terms are missing, you take 0 for that. After x4 x cube is not there, 0x cube. X square is not there, 0x square. Minus 5x plus 6. Okay. And this is divided by what? Minus x square plus 2. Even this also you should take in order. Minus x square plus 2. But here after x square x is not there, it's okay. Not compulsory to write. For divisor it's no problem. For dividend, if any term is missing, you write 0. Here after x square x is not there, here no problem. For divisor it's okay. Clear? So if you want, you can write that also in order. There are two ways. So minus x square plus 2. If we want, like this we can write minus x square plus 0x plus 2. Understand? Minus x square plus 0x plus 2. This way also we can write. You can do any way. Both the ways are there. Without writing this also we can do. Okay, I am writing 0x suppose. So minus x square into minus x square plus x4. 0x into x square, 0x cube. 2 into x square plus into minus 2x square. Clear? So minus x square into minus x square, x4. 0x into x square, 0x cube. 2 into x square plus into minus 2x square. Clear? This plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Yes, this cut. This also cut. Actually 0x cube is 0x cube. No need to write. Plus 2x square and plus 0x square plus 2x square. Clear? Now you should decide that minus x square into what I get this. Minus x square into minus 2. Minus plus 2x square. 0x into 2, 0x. 2 into 2, minus 4. Yes, because plus into minus 2 to the 4. Now this plus becomes minus becomes plus. Yes, this cut. Minus 5 plus 0 is minus 5x. Okay, plus 6 plus 4, 10. So what is the answer? Quotient we get this. This is quotient. You should write we get. This is quotient, this is remainder. Finished. Clear? Quotient and remainder we got. And you can check the answers of last video. Quotient, remainder, first question, question, remainder, second question. Okay, that was homework question. Now guys. And if we get remainder 0, then this divisor is called, gx is called factor of px. Last time I have already given one note. After dividing, if we get remainder 0, gx is called factor of px. Clear? Yes. Now we have that type questions. See. Now question 2 please. See question number 2. Yes. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. Yes. By dividing, we have to check. Okay, first bit. Second question, first bit. T square minus 3 2t4 plus 2t4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Please see. We start here. See, what is the question, you understand? Check whether first polynomial is a factor of second. By dividing we have to check. You know, if we get remainder 0, it's a factor. So we divide and check. 2t4, 3t cube, 2t square, 9t, 12. This is divided by what? T square minus 3. Yes. Same system. How to divide, you know. T square into 2t square, t square into 2t square, 2t4, 3 into 2t square, 3 2s are 6. Okay. This plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus, this cut, 3t cube plus 6t square. Here if you want you can do this way also. Please see. T after t square, t is not there, no? You can take, if you want you can take 0t. This way also. Without taking also you can do. Okay. So if I take 0t, suppose t square into 2t square, 0t into 2t square, 0t cube, 3 into 2, 6t square. Now what happens is cut. This plus becomes minus, 3 minus 0 same. Plus 6 minus 2, 4. This is 4t square minus 9t minus 12. Now t square into 3t. See, t square into 3t, 3t cube. And 0t into 3t, 0t square. 3 into 3t, 9t. Yes. Minus plus. See this cut. 4 minus 0, 4t square, plus 9 minus 9 cut, minus 12. Now t square into 4, 4t square, 0t into 4, 0t into 4, 0t. So actually t is not there. So here you see, plus 9t minus 90, 90 minus 90 cut, no, 90 minus 90 you can write 0t minus 12. Now t square into 4, 4t square, 0t into 4, 0t, 3 into 4, 12. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, cut, this cut, plus 12 minus 12 cut. See, I got remainder 0. We get remainder 0. That's why we say that S, first polynomial is a factor of second. Reason you understand? Because you got remainder 0. This cut, you got 0 remainder. That's why S, it is a factor. Clear? So we have this type questions. Now second bit. X square plus 3x plus 1 3x4 plus 5x cube, 3x4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Yes, same way, 3x4, 5x cube, 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Again we have to check. So what we have to check? Whether it's a factor or not by dividing 3x4, 5x cube, 7x square, this divided by x square plus 3x plus 1. So we have to check whether it's a factor of second or not. So x square into 3x square, 3x4, and 3x into 3x square, 9x cube, 1 into 3x square, 3x square. Already we have done in last video also how to divide, you should know. Minus, 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 cut. Minus 9 plus 5 minus 4. Minus 7 minus 3 minus 10. Okay. Now x square into minus 4x. See, I should get the same thing. X square into minus 4x, I get minus 4x cube. 3x into 4x, minus 12x square. 1 into 4x, minus 4x. Plus, 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 so this cut. Plus 12 minus 10, 12 minus 10, 2x square. Plus 4 plus 2 plus 6x. Plus 2. Yes. X square into 2, 2x square, 3x into 2, 6x, 1 into 2, 2. Yes, so this becomes minus, 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 cancel, cancel, cancel. So I got 0. So answer is first polynomial is a factor of second. Clear? So this completed. Now the third witness. Yes, see one more. Yes. Third question, third bit of this. X cube minus 3x plus 1. x5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Yes, again we have to check whether it's a factor of second or not. Okay, by dividing we start. See, x5, after x5 you see x4 is not there, so write 0x4, 4x cube, x square, 3x plus 1, and this is same. Here after x cube, x square is not there, no matter. For divisor it's okay, but for divisor it's not compulsory. After x cube you can take 0x square also. Without taking also you can divide. See, I will show you. X square, x cube into x square, you know, x5. 3x into x square, 3x cube. So we write here 3x cube. Under x cube we write 3x cube. X cube into x square, x5, minus 3x into x square, minus 3x cube, 1 into x square, 1x square. Clear? Now this plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, this cut. 0x4. But you know, starting when 0 comes, starting when 0 comes, no need to write. Starting when 0 comes, no need to write. 0x4, no need to write. Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube, how much? Minus 1x cube. This cut. plus 3x plus 1. Yes. Now x cube into minus 1 will be minus x cube. Minus 3x into minus 1 plus 3x. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. This becomes plus. This becomes minus. This becomes plus. Cut. Minus 3x plus 3x cut. Plus 1 2. So here remainder we get 2. So answer is no. If we get remainder 0, it's a factor. Here remainder is 2, it's not 0. So no, first polynomial is not a factor of second. Okay. So you can take one practice question. Yes, this is practice question. Check whether x square plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 or not. Yes, this is one homework question. So we completed question 2. Then the other questions we try to finish in next video. So we stop today.